Thank you, Joe. Now to talk about our social implications and how this affects our perception of this industry. Our viewpoints are based upon values and beliefs, our demographics, and our general lifestyle indicators. With 11% of our population being incarcerated and this number expected to increase, we have to ask, where will we put these individuals? But also, how will we meet their needs? In looking at the discussion of theory versus reality of privatized prisoners, there was a study completed in 1991 by Greg Logan, indicating two primary areas that we should be concerned with. Those are quality and accountability. Our poor prison systems and the conditions is a growing concern, as well as the cost that it has been escalating to. Private prison management companies have been in a position to provide better services for less dollars. They are more accountable. They are required to continue to provide monitoring, and they have standards in place by government. And they are in a position to be more accountable because of such. In privatizing prisons, we have to look. The two areas that have created the increase has been because of the numbers that we have and the need to save dollars. So the social cultural question of why privatization is such an issue from a social standpoint is based upon the overcrowding, the lack of services that we have, and as well as our overall perception, such as because of certain behaviors and incidents that occur in our prisons. For example, looking at the chart of some key factors, it was noted that alone in the suicide rate for males, it was compared from 11% in our public systems to 3% in our private systems. This factor alone gains society's interest, and it enhances us to want to be part of this discussion. To look at the future role of the private prison industry is very important. We have to stress the involvement of monitoring and increasing quality services at the same time. The challenge is providing more services to more inmates with less dollars. This lets privatized companies to have a future. They will continue. This industry has to address quality services to include medical and mental health services. They need to change and look to a future to provide rehab and support programs as well. To refer to our Great Turning novel by David Korten, he indicated that society must be challenged. They must develop an overall awareness and become more humane to others. In doing this, the prison industry could choose the socially appropriate culture for prison management. They can shift from empire to earth and do the correct thing. We can't have the conversation today about the future of this industry without noting the importance of our social implications. Now back to you, Joe. Thank you.